Today, we're going to learn about don't sentences. We will learn how to use don't to make negative sentences. We'll practice saying don't with different verbs. Don't be late. Don't be late. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't argue. Don't argue. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. Don't be rude. Don't be rude. Don't forget. Don't forget. Don't drink and drive. Don't drink and drive. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Don't smoke. Don't smoke. Don't ignore your feelings. Don't ignore your feelings. Don't open the door. Don't open the door. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't shout. Don't shout. Don't make a mess. Don't make a mess. Don't run. Don't run. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't move. Don't move. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. Don't lie. Don't lie. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. Don't litter. Don't litter. Don't get angry. Don't get angry. Don't be noisy. Don't be noisy. Don't speak loudly. Don't speak loudly. Don't break the rules. Don't break the rules. Don't be careless. Don't be careless. Don't be selfish. Don't be selfish. Don't be mean. Don't be mean. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. Don't interrupt. Don't interrupt. Don't be disappointed. Don't be disappointed. Don't eat too much. Don't eat too much. Don't stay up late. Don't stay up late. Don't sleep in. Don't sleep in. Don't bite your nails. Don't bite your nails. Don't text and drive. Don't text and drive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.